Hello everyone! It's been a while. We're finally back and ready to finish up this season. 10B time. I would like to apologize for the long break. I just got really sidetracked with multiple things. And to make the situation worse, our best friend FX has DNP'd. Goodbye. And with that, we made it to the final 4 of Slime Twow 3. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Let's brighten up the mood a bit. Here's the confessionals you've all been waiting for. Funo said, "I'm not saying that, and you can't make me." That was the only confessional, so let's move on. Last round's prompt was, as a museum guard, it's your job to protect the artifacts and keep them in shape. But when you weren't looking, one artifact got swooped from the museum, and it's about to open. You can't get fired from this single mistake, and you need a solution. What will you do to not make incoming guests notice you're bad at your job? 13 voters casted a total number of 13 votes. Thanks to Funo, Verygold, Eternal.Rose, SCIS, Joa, B, DD Awesome, Andyman, Spiral, Rim, Marbleside, Viridian, and Mr. Dell for super voting. The first placer of this round will win the 3 free mentions, and the last placing Twower will be eliminated from Slime Twow, not to return ever. After a long wait, it's finally time to show these results. Let's go! Last round, Funo had won yet a freaking again. They got to submit 3 responses. Their best response this time was, claim exhibits being nanoscopic. Stand back, guarding these atom bombs. This response was good, and I liked it a lot. Will you win yet another round? Arrow, tell us their score. (64.96%). This is a great score, and with how high you are on the leaderboard, I won't be surprised if you win the round again. Next up is the one and only Squirrel. Squirrel only submitted 1 response for this round, so they do not have the 2 response advantage. Will they prosper just like Joa did back in Season 2? Let's see if they can with the response. Paint myself wooden. Exaggerated facial expressions imitate tiki totems perfectly. This sounds like a good idea on paper, but you would only be able to imitate one tiki face, and people might be able to see through you. Did the voters have the same opinions on this response as I do? Let's see. Dang! 67.52% tops Funo's score, and you have earned a spot into this season's final 3. Congrats! Second to last up, we have Marbleside. Will they scrape the elimination zone yet again? Let's see. Painting stolen? Nonsense. The empty canvas portrays the author's loneliness. This response was good. I really like this idea. People could believe this if you were to convince them enough. Will your score be able to top Funo's or Squirrel's? Well, I guess you just topped both. With a solid score of 68.38%, you are now in the winner's seat for this round. You guys just keep on topping each other. And now, we've made it to the SDZ. If Funo wants to survive into round 11, the next contestant up, which is DD Awesome, has to place below 64.96%. It may seem like a tall task, but it's not impossible. Now let's see that response. Well, we're back in this dump again. Welcome back to the dungeon. If you forgot what we do here in the dungeon, we compare the 2 best responses from each Twower, and we look back on all the best achievements that you can feel nostalgia shiver down your spine. Let's go! DD Awesome's response this time around was Knight's Helmet. Finding remaining armor, claim entireties in another section. I don't really understand what this response meant, to be completely honest. Will this response keep you alive for yet another round? We won't know until the arrow tells us. Good luck to the both of you. You're gonna need it. See you guys at the Elim cards. Congrats, DD Awesome! You got 4th place with the response. As a that, I create literal red herrings for coworkers. It's a smart response, and I'm glad you prize. 73.66%. That's pretty high up there, buddy. Are you gonna win yet again? Funo survives into round 11. No! This is super sad, DD Awesome. When you signed up, I wasn't sure how you would do, since you were new to the community, and in every round, you were able to survive through the middle of the pack in each and every round. As time went on, it was shown that you really cared about my Twow, and were doing everything in your power to place well and survive into each round. Your participation was really something, and I would like to thank you for always being so active when others weren't. I called you the surprise star because when each round passed, you were blowing away my expectations. When the rounds got tougher, and when I thought you were going to fall, you kept on going strong until you couldn't anymore. I really applaud you for getting this far with the competition you were up against, and you won't be forgotten in the Slime Twow lore. Thank you for signing up, DD Awesome. Goodbye. It's really sad to see you go, FX. I knew that you were going to be a mainstay for a while in this Twow, and you did not disappoint. You consistently placed high in each round leading up to the round you DNP'd, and you always had really good entries. Responses. You even won the round 7 acronym prompt. I called you the ordinary opponent because you never really had any danger points during the season, and it was always smooth sailing for you. It's just really sad to see you go out on a DNP, but I would like to thank you for signing up. Goodbye, FX. Goodbye. Here is the original leaderboard. Stat time, everybody! Marble Side won the round, which makes them the 10th round winner. So here are your 3 mentions. Marble Side, Marble Side, Marble Side. here are the most and least controversial responses from this round. That's all for the stats. Let's move on to the contestant list. Here is the list of the current and eliminated contestants. Good luck to the contestants still in. And with that, we have made it to the final 3 of Slime Twow 3. Round of applause, everybody. Round of applause. For the prompt for next round, it's not really set in stone yet. So tune into the next episode to see what the prompt will be. Thank you for watching, everybody. This is Power Up Button signing off.